Hello, Henry. Do you remember how you got here? This next part might hurt. Squeeze? You and I were, we still are, husband and wife. I love you, Henry.
Henry, they want your technology.
How would you like the new you?
Altitude. Altitude.
The chute! Hold the chute! Hold on, Henry! Henry, fight back! You're capable of more than you think!
It's all right. I'm here to help you. There's a speech module installed. But at least we know you're not deaf. Okay, well, the good news is that you're going to live a while. The bad news is there's an army standing between you and your wife. So let's go get her.
Tonight, I'm gonna have myself a real good time. I feel alive.
This is war, baby!
'Cause I'm having a good time, having a good time. Shooting star leaping through the sky. Like a tiger, defying the laws of gravity. Racing car, passing by, like Lady Driver. I'm gonna go, there's no stopping me. Running through the sky, yeah. The degrees, that's why they call me Mr. Fahrenheit. I'm traveling at the speed of light. Make a supersonic man out of you.
You gonna lay there,
Don't stop me, don't stop me. Hey,
swallow that blood in your mouth? Or you gonna stand up and go spill theirs?